Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about reclaiming your power after dealing with narcissistic abuse.
It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward, how much you can take and keep moving forward.
It's like a superhero movie, but the hero is you, rising from the ashes of a challenging experience. So buckle up and let's explore 5 empowering steps to take charge of your life post-narcissistic abuse. 1. Recognizing the signs. Understanding the signs of narcissistic abuse is like putting on your detective hat. It involves recognizing the subtle tactics manipulators use to control and diminish others. Gaslighting, manipulation, and constant belittlement become their weapons of choice. It's crucial to grasp that this recognition isn't about self-blame. It's about breaking the spell of confusion and realizing that the unhealthy dynamics were never your fault. Picture this. You start noticing patterns of manipulation, instances where your thoughts and feelings were twisted to fit a distorted narrative. For example, you may recall being made to feel guilty for expressing your needs or constantly doubting your own reality due to gaslighting. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards reclaiming your mental and emotional sovereignty. 2. Setting boundaries. Think of setting boundaries as creating your personal force field. It involves clearly defining what behavior is acceptable and what crosses the line. Boundaries are not walls to keep everyone out. They're guidelines that protect your well-being. It's about communicating to others and, more importantly, to yourself, the standards you deserve in relationships. Setting boundaries is an act of self-respect and a declaration that you won't compromise your mental and emotional health for the sake of others. Here's an example. Imagine establishing a boundary where you communicate that disrespectful language or demeaning comments won't be tolerated. This sets a standard for how you expect to be treated. When someone oversteps, you reinforce that boundary, demonstrating that you are not willing to compromise your self-worth. Setting boundaries is an ongoing process of self-care and a powerful tool in the journey toward empowerment after narcissistic abuse. 3. SelfCare Supercharge. Now let's talk about supercharging your self-care routine. It's not just about the occasional bubble bath. It's a commitment to nurturing your mind, body, and soul. Self-care involves identifying activities that replenish your energy and bring you joy. It's a conscious effort to prioritize your well-being, recognizing that you deserve moments of rest and rejuvenation. Whether it's a quiet walk in the park, indulging in a favorite hobby, or simply taking a moment to breathe deeply, self-care is a celebration of your worth. Picture this. You carve out time for activities that genuinely make you happy. It could be as simple as dedicating half an hour each day to read a book you love or taking a weekend getaway to unwind. By consistently incorporating self-care into your routine, you're not just addressing the wounds of narcissistic abuse, you're actively fostering a positive and nurturing relationship with yourself. 4. Finding your support league. No hero stands alone, and neither should you. Building a support league is about surrounding yourself with allies who understand your journey. These allies could be friends, family, or even a therapist who provides a safe space for expression. It's crucial to share your experiences with those who uplift and validate your emotions, helping you break free from isolation. Support is not a sign of weakness, but a powerful catalyst for healing. Picture this. You connect with people who offer unwavering support. It might be a friend who listens without judgment or a support group where experiences are shared. Having a support league means you're not navigating the aftermath of narcissistic abuse in isolation. Together, you forge a network of understanding, compassion, and encouragement that reinforces your resilience. 5. Crafting your comeback story. Now, let's focus on crafting your comeback story. It's about turning the page on the past and embracing personal growth. Set new goals, both big and small, that align with your authentic self. Celebrate achievements along the way, creating a positive momentum. It's not about erasing the past, but rewriting your narrative, emphasizing resilience, strength, and the capacity for transformation. You embark on a journey of self-discovery, identifying areas for growth, and envisioning a future that aligns with your aspirations. For instance, you might decide to pursue a new hobby, learn a skill, or take on a challenge that once felt insurmountable. Each step becomes a part of your comeback story, a testament to your ability to rise above adversity and shape a narrative that empowers you to live authentically. Greetings, amazing viewers. Believe it or not, just 80% of you have subscribed. If you're enjoying the content and learning something new, why not be part of our growing community? Subscribing is a simple way to support us in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for considering. Now, on to the next part. Bonus tip: cultivating self-compassion. In the realm of post-narcissistic abuse empowerment, cultivating self-compassion emerges as a crucial bonus tip. It involves treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you'd offer a dear friend. Recognize that healing is a process, and it's okay not to have it all figured out. Self-compassion encourages you to embrace imperfections and acknowledge that recovery has its ups and downs. You make a mistake or encounter a setback, and instead of being harsh on yourself, you extend understanding. Just as you would comfort a friend facing challenges, self-compassion allows you to be gentle with your own journey. It's like being your own supportive cheerleader, acknowledging that you're doing your best, and that, in itself, is a triumph. By embracing self-compassion, you not only navigate the aftermath of narcissistic abuse with greater resilience, but also foster a compassionate relationship with the most critical person in your life, you. There you have it, your superhero guide to empowerment after narcissistic abuse. Remember, you're the hero of your story, and these steps are your superpowers. It's time to soar, break free, and create a narrative that empowers you to live your best life. Go get 'em!